Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about acceleration strategies for driving. I'll specifically be showing you and telling you the process for pressing the gas pedal properly in this driving tutorial. So essentially, these are acceleration strategies that you can use for driving, and I'll be showing you the process for pressing the gas pedal down properly in a driving tutorial for beginners. Now, whether you're a beginner or an expert, this could be useful for you because I'll be showing you basically how to accelerate properly, and I'll take the camera off and I'll show you the gas pedal momentarily, but I'm going to start off by just telling you what to do. Then I'll take the camera off and I'll show you the process on my actual gas pedal here. So let me tell you first and foremost the things you got to focus on. Number one, heel on the ground. You never want to drive like this with your foot like this. You have very little control. By putting your heel on the ground and pivoting your foot, you have a lot more control over your gas pedal and your acceleration, okay? Number two, gently press down on the pedal. You don't want to press too hard. It can be detrimental. You can speed, you can accelerate too fast. You have less control or you lose control. Gently press the pedal, okay? Number three, ease into it. You want to essentially start from nothing and then ease into your point that you're going to stop at, which I'll talk about momentarily, in sort of a gradual manner. So you're going to ease into pressing the pedal, okay? I don't know what number I'm on. I think I'm on number 4. I didn't number these, I just kind of wrote down my process. So I think number 4 is to stop at a certain point. Like, I know the order that I'm talking about these in, but I don't know, I didn't order them with regards to number. But number 4, I believe it's number 4, would be stop at a certain point. So you're not going to continue pressing the gas pedal. You're going to essentially ease into it and stop at a certain point. That will be your acceleration level. And if you stop at a certain point, then your speed will stop climbing at a certain point, depending on how much you're pressing the gas. And then number 5, understand that it's easier to add more gas power after, to add more acceleration than to brake. It's always easier to just say, oh, I need to go a little bit faster. Let me go down a little bit more in the pedal, instead of like, oh my gosh, I need to brake right now. So essentially, I'm going to take my camera. I'm going to show you underneath here. So just give me a moment. Let me flip my screen. What I have here is and sorry about the poor lighting. I'm doing my best. Let me open this up. I might get a little bit better. Nope, doesn't really make a difference. If I bring my camera down here, it's going to be a little bit better. Okay. So as you can see right here, I'm getting a lot of glare on there we go. Now I can kind of see what you're seeing. So here I have my gas pedal over here. Okay, as you can see, my heel is planted on the ground. Just got these new shoes, not recently, but found them for about two and a half months. Absolutely love them. Yeah, anyways, I had like old ripped shoes for the longest time, so I'm glad that I have these shoes to wear. Anyways, heel is planted on the ground. Okay, I'm going to just gently press the pedal. I'm going to ease into it, and I'm stopping right there. That would be like a regular level of acceleration for me. Look how little I'm pressing it. Look at that. Look, that literally, that whole amount there, look at this. That's how much I press the gas normally to accelerate, give or take. That's it, literally, okay? And here's the thing. If I do that, what's going to happen is I'm going to accelerate, and if I just hold my foot here, eventually the car will stop climbing in speed when it hits the speed that this level of acceleration is associated with, okay? When I hit that speed, I can just hold my foot here, and I'm just going to cruise at that speed, basically. Then I can release it, and essentially, yeah, I will stop. If I continue digging deeper, what's going to happen is the car is going to continue speeding and the engine is going to rev. As you can see here, the engine is going to rev too high. You don't want that. You know, you're not trying to speed down the street. You're trying to accelerate gradually. So that is basically it. Those are the general acceleration strategies for how to press the pedal down properly, the gas pedal down properly in a driving tutorial. Kind of geared towards beginners, but even if you've been driving for many years, you can benefit from watching this as well. That said, if you like this video tutorial, please be sure, this video driving tutorial, if you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. Sorry, I got a little stain up here. I'm going to try and maybe clean that off after. Anyways, that's basically it. I'm not going to roll the outro again. I'm just going to say my final lines for this video. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more like this. And that's basically it. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.